Hi, I'm Dr. Gupta, and today I'm talking to you about what is breast augmentation procedure. Now, breast augmentation is a procedure which many women desire to enhance the size of their breasts. Breast augmentation procedure can be done essentially in two manners. One is a breast implant surgery, and the other is a fat grafting to the breast. Now, let me make it very clear. Fat grafting procedure has a limitation when we talk about breast augmentation. If you want an increase in half a cup size to 1 cup size of breast, that's what a fat grafting can do. So that means if you're A cup and you want to go to A plus or B, then fat grafting is a good option for you. But if you want from A to C, then fat grafting would not be able to do that in a single session. Of course, once you do it once, you can always repeat it after a few months, and then it can help you going from A to C. But in a single session, it can only increase the size by half to 1 cup. The other advantage of fat grafting can be to enhance the shape of your breast. So a lot of women has upper pole which is empty, their cleavage is not well defined. So you can put the fat in such a manner that it is distributed in that space of upper pole and middle cleavage so that their shape can be improved. If you are not the candidate for any of these indications and you want an increase in size of more than 1 cup, then breast implants are for you. So let's talk about what is breast implants. Now, breast implants are made of silicone gel. I have made other videos in which you can see what are the different types of breast implants. Now, breast implants, what we use are called as high cohesive gel silicone implants. Now, what does this mean? That the gel used inside this implant are very high cohesive. That means either you turn them, you press them, you do whatever with them, they retain their original shape back. The shell or the silicone cover which is used nowadays are like 7th generation high cohesive gel implants, and it's very difficult to rupture them. So they are pretty safe. And I use only made in US or made in UK or France implants. I don't use any Chinese or Korean implants, so they are very top good quality. So you don't need to worry. Each of these implants comes with a manufacturer warranty of 15 years. It's an international global warranty with barcoding so that if you have any issues with implants, the manufacturer replaces free of cost. So these are the qualities of the breast implants which we use. In this procedure, we put the breast implants either above your pectoral muscle or may choose to go behind the muscle depending upon what your individual requirements are. When you meet me, we discuss that and then we plan the procedure. We make a pocket behind the breast tissue, either above or below the muscle, and put in an implant in that pocket. Now, this pocket is meticulously designed to suit that implant which we have chosen. And we choose the size of implant depending upon what your expectation and requirements are, what your present body shape is. When I assess you, I also understand what your desired results are, what is your pelvic width, what is your shoulder width, and accordingly guide you what is the appropriate size of implant you should go for. We also use something called as 3D simulation in my practice. So once a patient comes to us, we make photographs of their body, convert it into a 3D image, and on that image we can put different size of implants, and a patient can see what different size of implants will look on them. So before the surgery, you can actually get an idea of what each sizes will look on you, on your body, and what will suit you. And dependingly, we plan your surgery. It's a very comfortable daycare surgery. Come in the morning, get your surgery done, go back home in the evening, and from next day you can resume all your daily activities. There's just one precaution. You have to avoid heavy weightlifting exercises over your shoulders. You can lift weight like this using your biceps, but don't use your pectoral muscles for 6 weeks. After 6 weeks, you can do whatever you want. So it's a very gratifying procedure which has instant results. One can see the result from the same day evening. If you have more questions regarding breast augmentation procedure, please write it to us and I'm sure we will be there to help you. Bye-bye.